Do you know that with a few easy tweaks, you can transform your living room into the ultimate warm getaway for the holidays? As Christmas approaches, it's the ideal time to transform your home into a festive haven full of warmth and joy. From soft, fluffy blankets to dazzling lights, there are endless ways to bring the holiday spirit into your house. Whether you're entertaining family members or spending peaceful hours by the fire, establishing a warm atmosphere is essential. In this video, we'll look at 12 ideas for decorating your living room to create the ultimate comfortable Christmas sanctuary. Festive throw blankets are essential for comfortable Christmas decor. Soft and inviting, they quickly bring warmth to any living space. Choose blankets in rich, festive colors like red, green, and gold, or ones with holiday designs like snowflakes, reindeer, or Christmas trees. Drape them over sofas or armchairs to create a warm and cozy ambiance. The texture of the blanket will also give a layer of comfort, encouraging everyone to unwind and enjoy the holiday season. Adding a throw blanket to your living area creates a welcome, cozy atmosphere that is ideal for holiday parties. Seasonal pillows. Replace your usual throw pillows with ones with a festive theme. Look for pillows featuring Christmas-themed themes like snowflakes, reindeer, or Santa's sleigh. Mix and match patterns like plaid, stripes, and checks to create a fun, seasonal design. These pillows can be fashioned from soft fabrics such as velvet, faux fur, or knitted materials to provide extra comfort. Place them on the sofa, armchairs, or even the floor beside a warm fire to create a welcoming environment for all. These tiny things instantly bring festive happiness into your living space. Christmas tree. The Christmas tree is the focal point of your living room during the holiday season. Choose an appropriate tree for the space, whether it is a large, traditional fir or a smaller, artificial tree. Decorate it with string lights, lovely ornaments, and a star or angel on top. You can also go for a themed tree, such as a rustic design with wooden ornaments or a fanciful theme with colorful decorations. A well-decorated tree serves as a festive focal point, bringing warmth, joy, and Christmas spirit into your living room throughout the season. Candles and lanterns. Candles and lanterns are ideal for creating a warm and enchanting environment in your living area. Choose candles in festive scents like cinnamon, pine, or vanilla to add warmth and a holiday aroma to the room. Place them on tables, mantels, or windowsills, and use decorative lanterns for an elegant touch. Consider battery-operated candles for a safer option if you have children or pets. Flickering candlelight creates a soft glow that enhances the comfort of your living room, making it feel like a peaceful, festive sanctuary where you can relax with loved ones during the holidays. Fairy lights. Fairy lights are a simple and inexpensive method to create a beautiful ambiance in your living area. String them around trees, mantels, or windows to create a lovely and comforting glow. You may even drape them over furniture, bookshelves, or picture frames to create a glittering appearance throughout the room. Choose warm white or multicolored lights to complement the overall concept of your Christmas decorations. Fairy lights, whether subtle or vivid, evoke feelings of wonder and excitement, transforming your living room into a beautiful holiday refuge for family and friends. Wreaths. Wreaths are a traditional Christmas decoration that may be utilized throughout your home to bring holiday charm. A colorful wreath on your door makes a welcoming entrance, and smaller wreaths can be placed over the fireplace or around windows to add seasonal cheer. For a more classic look, choose wreaths made of natural materials such as pine, holly, or eucalyptus. For a more modern look, choose fake wreaths with glittering or multicolored designs. Wreaths also make excellent DIY projects and may be tailored to your specific style and preferences. Plaid accents. Plaid is a timeless pattern that brings a comfortable, traditional vibe to your Christmas living room decor. To get a cohesive seasonal appearance, incorporate plaid into throw blankets, cushions, table runners, and even curtains. The iconic red and green plaid invokes warmth and nostalgia, making it ideal for creating a cozy and festive ambiance. You can also combine plaid with other textures and patterns, like knitted textiles or faux fur, to provide depth and variety. Plaid decorations add a rustic appeal that's ideal for holiday parties and family events. Wooden decor. Wooden decor adds a rustic, natural element to your living room during the holiday season. Incorporate wooden ornaments, figurines, or even wooden advent calendars for a traditional, timeless look. Wooden stars, reindeer, and sleds can be placed on shelves or mantels to add a touch of nature-inspired beauty. The warmth of wood contrasts beautifully with festive metallics or bright colors, creating a balanced and inviting atmosphere. For an extra cozy feel, combine wooden decor with soft lighting and textured fabrics to bring a rustic yet elegant touch to your holiday home decor. Cozy rugs, a soft plush rug, is a must-have for creating a cozy and inviting Christmas living room. Place a large rug beneath the tree to ground the space, or use smaller rugs to add texture and warmth around the room. Opt for rugs in traditional Christmas colors like red, green, or gold, or choose neutral tones that complement your overall decor. Rugs with festive patterns like snowflakes, reindeer, or plaid can add a whimsical touch, while a simple shaggy rug adds a luxurious feel. Rugs help to keep the room warm while providing a comfortable place to sit and enjoy the season. Faux fur. Incorporating faux fur into your living room design creates a luxury, comfortable atmosphere. For a refined effect, choose for faux fur wraps, cushions, or rugs in soft, neutral tones such as ivory or light gray. Drape faux fur blankets over sofas and armchairs to create a cozy ambiance. To complete the festive effect, add faux fur touches to your holiday table settings, or use them as tree skirts. Faux fur not only provides warmth and comfort, but it also adds a touch of beauty to your living area, which is ideal for the holiday season. Conclusion: as we conclude our comfortable Christmas living room decor ideas, it's evident that with a few creative touches, you can transform your space into a warm, welcoming holiday refuge. From festive throw blankets and seasonal pillows to dazzling fairy lights and a beautifully decorated Christmas tree, every element contributes to the overall feeling of comfort and celebration. Adding features such as candles, wreaths, and plaid accents enhances the homey vibe, making your living area ideal for family gatherings or quiet moments by the fireplace. So embrace the season, be creative, and enjoy the decorating process. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and comment.